Alright guys, so we are here at Cool Springs Galleria. We're going to be doing the 2,000 subscriber special. The last time I did this, it was like around 2 years ago, February time. I looked a lot different, sounded a lot different as well. But yeah, we've came a long way, another 1,000, so. And with that, let's go to Foot Locker, JD's, and 96 Kicks. And if we have time, because the mall's gonna be closing in just around 30 minutes, we'll go to Champs. But we'll see how much we can get done. And thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. Y'all made this happen. All right, I'll see you at the first store. All right guys, here is 96 Kicks. Let's see what they got. These are pretty cool. Thank you. Yeah. I think I've seen these dunks before. 120, pretty nice. Saw those. Those are nice. Ooh, I haven't seen these though. These are really nice. 150. Panthers. Huh. I haven't seen these. Pretty cool.
You won't see anything on the case. I can take it out from you.
Oh, alright, appreciate it. Got some Yeezys right here. Some more Yeezys. Yeah. Oh, look at these. I think these might be girls. Not quite sure. But yeah. Here's some clothes right here. Pretty cool. Kind of on a time crunch, so gotta make some of this quick. Supreme Air Forces. How much? $220. Now see, this literally just got the logo. That's about it. It says Supreme in there. That's about it. And they're extra. And I don't think it's a good value, honestly. I really like these. These are real nice. Those are cool right there. Yeah, for sure. Cool. Those. Got some Travis's over here. These would of course be the more expensive shoes, like the most expensive ones in glass. Those are cool. Those are really cool. But yeah, that's about it for 96 Kicks. Super cool. Yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, we are here in Foot Locker now. There's the men's section over here. Those are pretty cool right there. Yeah, like I was saying, well, I didn't say this, but these used to be like outrageous, but now they've dropped increasingly in price, and these are really cool. I'm thinking about maybe getting these over the summer. I'm really a fan of these. Since summer's coming up, I'm gonna need some new back to school shoes. But I don't think they have the red ones that I was looking at. It's really cool for Jordan 1s. Yeah, but I certainly like these, definitely. Some clothes right here. Looks like they're all Jordan. But yeah, got some pants right here. I like those. But yeah, that's about it for the shoes. They don't have the red Air Forces I was looking at, but still super cool. So that's about it for Foot Locker. Alright guys, we are here now at JD's. Alright, but here's the men's section. Those are too bright in my opinion. We saw those at the Foot Locker, but I like something like that for this. These are tough right here. Definitely slick. These two. $2.15. That's cool. That right there. Nice saddle shoes if you're looking for saddle. These are cool as well. $125. I like these two. Those are pretty cool. So, same for those. Yeah, there are those red Air Forces again. Looks like those are trending right now, but yeah. Nothing really that stands out at me, honestly. Except those shoes at Foot Locker. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's about it for JD's. Certainly cool. There's some clothes right here. Like their clothes. Pretty cool. That's cool right there. The matching right there. Oh yeah, I do like these shoes right here. I have a pair of these. Blue and white. And those are really cool. Got some gray on them too. But I don't see them here. Like those pants too. Or shorts actually. Ooh, I really like these. They're really cool. Wonder if they have my size. I don't know, I gotta keep going, but it looks like we're gonna have time for Champs, so that's good. But yeah, I guess let's go to Champs now, because that's about it for JD's. Believe it or not, this right here actually used to be the former Forever 21. It's now becoming an LL Bean. No clue what that is, but yeah, do not enter. Construction in progress. Good to know. Oh yeah, right here is actually a former GameStop right here. It ain't closed. Here you can just barely see in there. But it's all stripped out and gutted. I think you can see right here. Yeah, you can. Yeah, there's literally absolutely nothing in there. But yeah, that's about it. If you want to buy it, there you go. For lease. Lease here. Alright guys, we're going down the escalator. While we're waiting, the escalator, there's Champs right there. That Fine Mart used to be a Belk outlet. That closed up for some odd reason, not quite sure. There's the Champs, so they're still open, accepting people. So that's good. So got all we wanted today, so that's good. Alright, here's Champs. Alright, here we are in Champs. I honestly, when I was filming my 1,000 subscriber special 2 years ago, honestly forgot Opry Mills had a Champs. Those are pretty cool. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I haven't seen these yet. Those are pretty cool. I like those. These are cool as well. This is the women's. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's all women's. Yeah, I guess that's all the men's. Here's some of the clothing though. But yeah. These shorts are pretty cool right here. Like those. Nah, I'm good. Thank you, though. Yeah, I like those. Those navy blue. It's a pretty cool Jordan shirt right here. It's got like stars. Pretty cool. You can put them with some shoes like that or that. Yeah, Jordan hat right there. There it is on the mannequin right there. We know game. Champs. Yep. Oh, yes sir. That's about it for the champs. So yeah. Summer of sports. That's cool. But yeah, that's about it for champs. Let's go on to the Cheesecake Factory now. It's time to eat. I'm hungry. That one looks good. And look at that one in the back. Wow.
But
These all look great. These all look great. Oh no, that's gonna be hard to choose. Oh, look at that one as well. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. Y'all made this happen. Here's the entrance of the mall. Hope y'all did enjoy it. We just ate at the Cheesecake Factory. Had a good experience. So yeah, be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. And remember to just be you.